ndengam fango jelo ko min te nyonti jang you understand yeah nyonti jang comme yeah cool be kala la ngana mol be betare la cool ko men te ma fontele mono wala molen no bonte kam mum fo wala comme nte nyonti jang dal you understand mon fudu de mon fudu mon
fudu way la gal fa no awa Gambia
awa
toni biri murutana denga soul nge tare soul mul beto kuishidi ndeke tare backstage la but I likely see you come perform
comme kaje ko ma past that it's fine. I'm not going to force anybody to put me on your platform or coming. If you put me on your platform, you have to respect me. You understand? Because you're not giving me anything. I'm coming. I'm like a struggle. But what I'm basaya cool. You know, coming. Fat boy ka ajele bi doye bang boy asamo wala sinin dungo doye bang funding kele be ka ke dindingo la. You understand? Yeah, so mbije rudi o sa fenko play rek mbije start ka fenke duma
and a normal person like me or another person behind the scenes safonole Musa ala sister Sona she has it all in the music why is not Musa still working with Sona about that time always kan
mo jamal le kan ngininka muna ite mantara Sona la ban muna ite mantara ya muna na Sona ni bukata nyola la tol na la fenkola Sona be nyame defana I want to be like that someday I can feel it so ya long comme nin la fakka ko nyama fom fana sen na cool kam fonga fon sen na struggle kam fonga ya na momo ke jar jarol le so Sona ala jar jarol le ke coming far for that you stay you understand so defana I think bo jar jarol le kono because nan ni tan na anytime nkata le understand yeah because tela nying tubablu tal mo me it's true Sona I understand because ni ajibe wota mo nte tanya stylist fon aka dofle
comme
ane comme sometimes fam ba fala mbitamba ma ya nga fay tendala so dina ngata dadi ya nga fay tendala so dina ngata mo do ya wala ngata mo clear rek boy ma koy ajo la aussi fal pour passo rek kam feel because ya ne because music wala ma easy understand wakilo atam fene de miana ko ngata am fon wala force la comme okay nda fon fon se wakil folo ya ne in order to achieve whatever I have achieved right now come still yeah come in kajel come in tell man thing achieve follow from I understand because we are just getting started you understand but come by then at least school fana official come official gena nunga banu nyam
yeah
so
yeah to all the beautiful followers and to all my wonderful subscribers on this channel podcast wala fan soul today I'm gonna try a lot because my mandinga is not that much clean but then I'm gonna try my level best to have this beautiful soul here with me. He's one of my favorite Gambian singer, one of the most melodious artists in the Gambia who've been doing it since his younger age, his childhood time. Musa Philly Jobate is one of those melodious and those unique Gambian artists that Gambia have ever produced in the history of music. I introduce you Musa Philly Jobate on the Ultimate Podcast.
Yeah,
bro. It's a pleasure, man.
Finally, definitely, finally. Greetings to everybody. Alabola Musa Philly Jobate straight from Brikama. You know what I mean? It's a pleasure to be here. Yeah, Brikama, you know what I mean?
There go UK semester.
Uncle, yeah.
Boy, na sila fandole.
Sila fandole na dala.
Boy, ni miss job is always.
No. Kana ori abakula, kana ori no manda kul gele.
Dribble le.
Drip ma yebe nyame.
Mo manni bonde metal.
Uncle. Yeah,
nice to have you, bro.
It's a pleasure to be here.
Yeah, man. Mashallah, Musa. Ibe musical kono, ibe instrumental kono. You're doing a great job in the music industry.
Yeah, but tracking,
So, you money for Dumbi?
Bakulin alhamdulillah na fa ala tento yani gay ni jewe kere kam fille.
Yes.
Ba fan so tento lambe jala I'm saying because yani it like na from futara jampi and then yan. Yeah.
Di kacabe warla.
Wala ngai wara definitely.
Ngalo ne fan so mulbe jibe ka most of the people they be like Musa. You are not that much on the media, you are always behind the scenes.
Yeah. Musala ko media do ma kan wala lante je fa lay no kan feel but still no ko mi afa nyami coming Marco media, but still, we are working on the boot and
working.
Yeah, because it's anything. Album or job can make feel so.
Yes.
Doko be caring all the time. Media and definitely no je code all be all definitely no, but still we still studying the game, you know.
Yes, I most like Mola podcast we have a culture here. Ninata ike fang introduce le. Mola la childhood kacha demanding more long. La fans all more be follow kang. Who don't know your childhood times and the way you are brought up. You know, musically and morally and family wise and culture wise. You know, more after K long. You know, we used to take this podcast and level up, so of your bio and stuff like that. So ni mol ko Musa mo be alon ko itelo Musa fili jabaliti. So ite wuluta muntale.
Te wuluta brikama le, wuluta brikama man serin su, wuluta man serin su le, understand. So then fama na recorda sang Sandosu, okay. Yeah, then mol move to Sandosu, Yeah, nga Sandosu nursery school like Then and after that, jana Brikama primary. Nenga na primary school ke also. Then narata Alpha Kan Brikama upper base. Yeah, Brikama Alpha Kan, ngala gafo la nyama impelending cool bitu nambulu nyokan. But so but
feel free, man.
Yeah. After another stop also na I had the chance to travel to Switzerland. So Kabrintara Switzerland natanang man na sawarno school ko daga sifal. Ndara la fo nyanda nga grade 10 nyanda ga start Glory Baptist, understand. But man na cool thinking of I cannot even say what happened, but yeah.
Saying Janila wo tamo we are gonna revive back. We are gonna extend the conversation. More conversation or extend the demanding.
I gonna yato
because ni molko Musa ela dindi yawato. It plays a great role in your career. And within your younger age, you were so much artistic. Like back in the days, bring Goody Sam the whole time. There was a time I normally see you on TV. You drumming, you can't tantangol kosi. So let's talk about your childhood with your family before the music. Jani ibe fanjela music okono. And in school, bidi kata school. What were your hobbies? Can ika engage no monalo?
First of all, come ndela life be musical, I understand. Kabindengang come dindi ya ye fongolong come ya long come okay inkamunke ka fabe dara fam bede, I understand. Come ndangam fanya music ko na very early age. 3 years start daga tandang ko, you understand. So come ndela life ko no nga music la part bondije. Mbot la je fonga de siala ba ke because nte comme nga fo nyami na life be musical ti, I understand. But ndindi ma comme football ko di arrange dafa mbuga play nak, but na ball ka play le so most of the time te ndaka tarante comme kam fange comme as coach and thing aussi va comme feel aussi va mulong, even though I know nothing about football, but come I just like it, seeing my friends playing aussi va because nte football on the buga play in life kono goal killing all from school I remember so well football ko ben na ko kono banti coming de nimbe side tantang olong, understand tantang ko solong katara aussi fall kono
ye fanje nyaari le tantang bala
tantang fanje ko no yami. I think always because of my dad yalang na dad ke jembel export from here to abroad, you understand. So nda wulu tale ntek nyaka jembel la je so kono dal. So na fengo ni katara bala all the time. So start ka kusiro ko nyama so na dad aje ko nying like I feel suited to that. So he started taking some videos and not in my video babul still me along come 3 years 4 years and osifa. So ngam fanja tando ko no nyama.
Let's talk about the rhythm, tantango, the rhythm. How many rhythms do we have in Mandinka Tantango? When you are drumming, I think there is a name of every rhythm that you play. So actually, just name few, like 4 rhythms.
Yala need another Tantango fanala said la. Like it different segment
Tantangol
so
Soto,
they
ha,
understand.
Tantangol Soto, yeah.
You have the Seuruba,
Okay.
Munketa Mandika Tandangoti.
Okay.
Yeah, Nesrua Tantango Bijele Jembe Biji, understand. Actually, in the Bele play.
Okay.
You understand. But come Nina Tanang, come maybe Mandika Tandangola, sad letter. Yani ridimol bijelam barawuloti
Okay.
ridimol bijelam yanko yani jamba dongo yani fere ñol wasifa so ni nata na jembe fana la ser la yani comme
Woni jembe side
woni
foot
ha
fatatan.
yani woni jembe fana
Okay,
ma
I just
understand so jembe la ser ni nata na jela ye kuku fotele yankadi ñol soto yani siata la dal gam feel
Okay, okay.
yeah so cool ball to no
But
ridimol kay wo buka bang
Itela child mo redeem the first play. Come ya karam come like ya feel like okay this was the first redeem I played on the drum.
no wonte o remember no actually because no comme jembe ya rebe nyami comme comme nga fu yalla nte takere nyam mo wonte karandi you understand nte nga jele rek nga play comme feel
Okay.
so jembe la ridimol fo dol bi jele mi yang comme me tolong te ka jele nga play you understand so ma ridimol long had it been I had a teacher comme nsalo no okay nying atabe tentine so mfongol na research mfongol rek comme yani comme nga fengol because yana ibe fengol fenke kay nyan telefona yalla yo mun ke kay so start ka research ni ku ko tangol you know but comme pour ndindi mata mo jembe la ser la han ye bol na bol fo ngini ka wala comme mol tending jembe ya kay ku follow mun kan ela main kono kidanki davan tanki because what ade easy dal so mo be ka play no la understand so obviously ni kata jembe ko silati aussi fal kay wol mu fen la tim yalan ko
you must have to
fa se jarni wol si fal la you understand
I feel you mbekaran kanne and mo mu yalon ko imang ready mo ñu fana understand and tandan ko they are going to learn from the podcast
atem kukulti no sano fenko ñu ready mo ñaade ton kukulti
okay sa ka wo play like kata school ka jina kata school so I heard that your father was having a band or a sort of a
he was having a band you know he was nakafenko fana kele promoting you understand
okay.
So bano nga bulam ya ko like ndela kan jembe play you know
so which age did you start playing with the band
I think 6 yeah because I can remember and na first kafinti Giatis I was 6 by then yeah and I was 6 so I keta Giatis le amro fana keta no gudi samedi gudi samedi so mfa wala bano then tebanu jembe play kan I was 6 by then watara mam me nga jem nga kusiro start na coming to perform on stage because I first performed on stage at the age of 5 that was in Alliance Franco and I think it was in a World Music Day very good so so cool me dal ka 2006
so ila Switzerland ila first Switzerland traveling ko tanyadi le
it was a great experience, you know. It was a great experience because Niajibe was short 5 days more like a Europe, but within that 5 days, like almost 5 countries, you know, because I played Switzerland, then Malta, I understand. But Malta and Germany. I performed Germany though, we just passed by Germany, and passed by the France finale, I understand. But it was very nice, you know, because different location along different audience, so come experience when it was great.
But then you were not singing then. You did not start music then.
Come mbadunga kana on the Buden da I understand because I can say fully kadung tenkilo kono. Waketa around 2018 you know.
18
yeah kapani stylist la cold dunda nyokono you know. Shout out to my brother stylist and stylist ateleng tegena saba komin denkilo kono dal understand I was doing my thing back in Brikama understand what time we just have some visitors me alanko not that do my I think go photo you know like malamba fanya sort of a company dal so fa nyama understand ikamol karandi music la no comme producing ninku ko tangol understand coming pour que pre fonga guide no music ko no nyami to teach us harmonies and all that so mole utubabol mid wolto then ye molla first single record min keta like o meta la dal utamo ning na boy dole ka fa zumbeka aning pabo bo dingo sira bobo ngouti ama jigonyol and we were a group you understand so man na cool la, you know. After then 2018 ñol si file then ni stylist la cool na tabla ñoo kono then dunta den kilo kono nya but time na mbita kan jana Switzerland wala tara mba kono but ne mo jamal malon comme ka den kilo la, you know.
I got you. Now before you meeting stylist ila Switzerland travel ning bote la fama la linkol to comme like kata pour ini bano ning for
no Sona
okay,
la samba, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, you know, because I saw the Nunje, so what I am want to tell Jembe player because I Jembe player ning anim Baba Malka playlist.
Okay.
So what I anim Baba Malka concert so me anko ateman Sona takala muta follow so then I had replace, you know.
So in Sona la banol ning Alkari has le bang for come how did you make that happen?
Yeah, before when in Sona ka play, you know, because yalan Sona never play in Gambia jang. Sometimes Jembe player nyimbokan I understand. Sona bi jang ndaka back, so already I knew all the tracks, you understand.
Okay.
Yeah, so it wasn't that difficult.
Even how many years le no? Your age?
I was 16.
16.
Yeah, because what I'm at Kunta ni sang wala kata nyola da, you understand. Ni iya ba mundong kan kata old. Yeah, so I was 16, you know. Same thing, I will soon be 25 though because
okay.
Ning sang kata nyola.
Mashallah.
Yeah.
Mashallah. Yeah, Musa, like you opening up, and I really love the way you are opening up on the podcast. Now I appreciate it.
Thanks.
So in stylist, Allah meet up. Was it on a beat making or was it like stylist la sola tela nung priyana bito dadai jembe or stuff like that?
I think it was on Facebook Messenger, you know. Yeah, because for time was about wala cool la nefli nkala cool my stylist yani. Vocal dimal linku go dem I understand. So the first time he reached out to me though because I think he's been seeing my stuff and come out kana cool you coming katanda ko sin and all that nka denkilo la I denkilo fana la cool ne understand coming he was afana mo follow ko no mo yeng nsute mo ko no dal understand so I just come okay ni moya ma ko tala so then he reached out to me on Facebook and Kabra reach out then because Nkoto Malaka on Facebook or use most of the time.
Okay.
So then another item, you know, coming stylist message. I was like, wow, I was happy that he reached out to me because stylist
was doing great
very
then
good.
he was
So
good songs, you know.
Yeah, and not necessarily I found Ninkondano guy, but I did stylist and stuff. It was even so then another for you know I try in a studio to then MBJ Tata meet Paradise or a studio to you know. Then wolungo fong I bito dina ko nyako manam fay bañi lala no la festival tap then na bito ñi la you know tap ko ne so time wala na ko start ka dunyo ko non kana all time to time sometimes in nata ngata je wiko sometimes kala la karo fong kala je you know
mashallah
yeah
like Musa ni moli la moy ila vibe soul ila musical you have a unique voice, you have a unique style too.
Thank you.
And listening to your music it's not like any kind of music in Gambia. Your style is unique to the extent come Itela style you are the only you know artist that is having that kind of style. You know your style is kind of you know you look like a that Baraham in Wolof, you in the Mandinka side. You know that soft, you know that smooth music. Malam for understand.
Yeah.
How did you discover your voice and your style? You know, ya group nyadile. The inspiration because you were on the drum side, the instruments, you know, all over. Now that voice, that sweet melodious voice, how did you discover that voice from you?
I think Malamba Malamba, I don't know how I'm gonna put it down, but na instrument playing I think Marco because already I have the ear and you understand and then music kono mungena important walang earring so da man jari fong eta music karang school wala fenko because ndene na man ta music school understand and then ngan fana Gambia jam fana artist mo ta music school
amansia
mamera bi jam fong understand so kayran di la ko music near hearing sort of reg wala gina kumare understand so I think wala you know and then fana mun nata ma koy fana nka music aussi fa be la may you understand comme artiste prier comme il a ka long iba mun kala comme ye diverse any kind of style nim comme okay right now am fenketa like my music is based on Afrofusion right now, you understand? But come not any kind of music, like, I'll be able to do it because I listen to all kind of music, you understand?
Yeah.
So I think if I'm sometimes I sound like ninga play ka iba fala la hey you stop. But you don't understand that because there is something there I might need it, you can feel it. So wafana ki outstanding din no le man if you understand, and then jalia nyum fana yung mako because manding style yung artina la coming, it makes me outstanding come ayang na cool mola cool falandi demanding, you know.
Mashallah.
Yeah.
So any stylist start takaduko, okay, then I know you and stylist he did a lot on your career.
Yeah, definitely stylist
and your style too.
Yeah.
You know, helping you on flows and maybe like bito kang.
Definitely because back in the days when they come from a young rapper, dancehall artist, you understand?
Okay.
Kataranyin dancehall cool, kononing rap cool, you understand? So stylist Latina for come I found myself, you understand? Coming from you come okay right now, saying na vibe, you understand? And it Larry, you know, Nakeba Larry, shout out to him, expand, you know, because
Mad Love,
because Larry he used to write songs for me. You can feel it. Because I sound also and I just come and do my melodies and then he writes songs for me because coming as Bamfangela coming Denkilala.
Yeah.
Man, if I understand it because
you're more kind of an instrumentalist.
As an instrumentalist because coming not a cool but come yalang sometimes fengo katere kono le defon bang long coming abi kono le understand. So come te more than the discover you understand about coming nenema wis kake come Denkilala. You understand? Yeah. So stylist because I remember na song follow muyati na from stylist ko nyoko mi ya nyini la weti kabringa ki lari fana wal fanyo ko mi okay this is your nyina la weti wala kanu nyoti okay kanu because before kanu nyoni ajibe na sound wal mul bota kake nying dancehall mulon leti ya and nying hip hop style mulon ya understand so but kabringa kanu nyo record because before that nka sound record ninga play style say afonye this is trash. Yeah, sometimes come even ka for me yala ki amare nyinga tende like one take na sound playboy fonga tara cool ndanga man television afonye ko this is trash. You understand? But by then man ma understand coming what he was trying to do, you understand? Come ka sometimes ko overwhelmed sometimes ka ko nying ko do gende buga understand so but kabringan kanyo lang first sound o dem yan ko nga play ako no cap this is
100.
Yeah, this is good. You understand? I don't know coming ko this is what you should be doing. Kabringan sen Larry fana I don't know coming ko yeah this is the style you should be doing. So from there I started kaya nga try coming to do songs like kanyo then ngaje coming okay kanyo like Afrofusion or Afro manding to make myself outstanding then I have to blend it with something me uncle like other people are not doing. You understand? I'm get a manding feeling you understand? Come near the fananin cool blend. You know, aka cool gena aka falindile, you know.
Yeah. I will not talk about your career without talking about this song, Wakilo.
Yeah.
Wakilo, that song is one of Gambia's biggest records. Malam for Gambian only sound ikawo sound lamoy cool bang. Wakilo is a classic song. Despite you were an upcoming artist, Kabirika was sound on drop. But then the lyrics on that song, the lyrical content and Aliyah sound on Doku Nyame is so unique to the extent the music on is a motivational music.
Yeah.
Mumundi yalla moy rek as a ghetto youth or as a human being, ake motivate me.
Of course.
Ake bondi nang dulal to ay samba dulal.
Yeah,
spiritually. Man of understanding.
Definitely.
How did that song come to you?
Wakilo nata nyaming barale wakilo nati, you know. Man fi understand. Yeah, because
Musifa bata.
Barare come ni mira because ni ajibe wota mo nte tanya stylist fon aka dofle.
Comme
nya. Comme sometimes fon ba fala mira mbama ya nga fay $10 so dina. Ngata dadi ya nga fay $10 so dina ngata modo ya wala ngata mo clear rek boy ma koy ajo la aussi fal pour passo rek kam fi because because music wala amang easy understand comme after tel comme atele mo la cool tin ka baluni mu ne understand so ni ajibe wota mo comme soul bu kana nan comme yanda kana nyame anen fana hani ajibe fana e kata soul mulla because e kajel comme inte mbe wuli kan right now
manta ko do ji you
understand it's very good
exposure you know
so comme aka dofle maybe mol samere comme ko do bi jela wala comme ni mari ba kulli no atara comme ata mari kam face du mata la long you understand so abole nyama so cool ball do comme wakilo atam fene de miana ko ngatam fongola force la comme okay ndefa fonse wakil folo yani in order to achieve whatever I have achieved right now come still come ngajel come intel man feng achieve follow you understand because we are just getting started you understand but come by then at least school fana officiate la gena nunga ba no nyam so come kam fongola motivate force kay tan come ye fonse wakil den ngana feng la fala den ngana so you understand so wakilo na ta wala nyama because ngari member demi na fangata wakilo demi na nyanta ma plan kata wakilo record ma plan I was just going to the studio mbita kan studio rek because
anatela
ngata so kono rek comme nga feel like kata studio you understand so mbije rek tap ngola fa kata studio le so ngamere wolunga fongo mbisilo kan kata foko do nying fa jolan telephone I was having for $30 was even ko do nying fa jolan telephone kata nyaadi le I don't know so but kapring apprenti pass nyinin ka yalongo time ka passo nyinin ka janale airport Johnson ma fon ya ni fota je rek e ka ile passo nyinin ka so kapri passo nyinin ka den te start kam fon check man baha ya understand so yalang apprenti dol bi je ka stupid le akanda amero ko mi maybe nyimbo
abeta ko na
abanta pale ya kan no sifal so fat nga call le ke rek yani tap wota mo style salan do ke do bi je ka fay an ngola ko ngay boy ni ko do be balaje mako ina lo Johnson oto way after yani ngan ko do di ni because man ko do je so ngari memba an fo nata nan ay kabring moto fotata rek ate fotata na rek moto fotata you understand so apprendre ya den ko mi sama pass bin kay yani ania dia la so mi je fan an kan to nya ko nyaati te ñew artiste foire aussi fa so yani mbolo ko rek so tap sudo mang record what time fon la fa sudo then yani what time gal mo do le na artiste do na record nak and he was big after kapro parade then ni acidic start kan na go because I bit do le follow play ngay man feel and then another bit do play I can remember television dope kid acidic and malangani jiman be studio kono tap kam acidic e bito nyim play then start ka fenga ka masafi mam fence safi
ila sound I don't know how to confess on this podcast but it's one of those songs that makes me cry when I listen to it
atabe nyami atum sound mi anko ni play anytime it's like it's new because sound
it's a strong song the words are so motivating bro congrats on that one
thanks man
congrats on that one
thank you
Molia over like Lefanang
Molia
like 3 years 3 years Mola movie Bitilo telon sound background on
it's true because
was sound bro no sound on mad
love theater do le
ka boy mola comment sol to boy people be like yo Jamal who is this artist mad love
it's true man
what sound kabiri ka record comme ya record ila early times of your career or after la record
no comme wato lang wakilo 2019 bang for 20 aussi va la record then after lang nata project ko di mobile mobile nata bito dada mobile bito dada tala mix and master
comme studio it vocals don't
nga vocal ta style asidik record vocal
who did the drums
jembe I did the jembe
you did the jembe so akake wala nyawe la sound ol bede tele ka jembel dundi
mfa ka jembe
after sound ni na background ni mobo ya
mobo
marimba ni na wuti fa
mobo le ka bitol ni dara
black sound boy ni atara num comme Oscar award lombate BT awards sound galian take award was
aussi it's
a classic song and this song on fana yalong comme Gambia alon rek
Yeah.
But sound on you offline, no?
No, I tell you,
it will never die, man. Aboko Bob Marley la sound all
Yeah.
It's a big song, you know.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, anu ila sound all beka ke wala nyama. Fana Saya.
Saya.
You know, what sound of fana? Let's talk about this song Saya.
Yeah.
Because Nila that discussed what sound all cool. You know, but there is a story behind Saya. I don't know whether you can tell the people about the story behind Saya.
Yeah, the story behind Saya, it's so emotional.
Yeah.
Yeah, because Saya ate ngate release time muna tara coming funding ke Saya over Seattle, I understand.
Back way.
So ko Brikama, I understand. Back way accident come wadi so tara je come Brikama, it was so ndefo ma understand dal ndefo katara je lan ka fa yamare samo kay maybe ndala bita wala comme yan because it was so overdo tale no funding ke Saya over Seattle. So but coming comme sano nyim fonga mum fonga la kuat na fonga record comme womu nake ba dol di ka fa silano ya sungu do bije ka fa aja oba ya comme na bodo la excellent understand yeah so wo mbije la rek sano nying anata nyamin dal comme ba kumba be siring lari la side expand la side de lari Rudy G. You understand? So I can remember Rudy Fongale video play, Rudy level video play kang, you know. And but come what I'm basaya cool in no coming fat boy ka ajala video e bang boy asamo wala sinin dungo do e bang funding kele be ka ke dindingo la you understand? Yeah, so mbije Rudy o sa fenko play rek mbije start ka fenke duma, you know. Ala money cover. And so mbije rek afam mbije mo boy ko nyuko boy. Yama dita nga into the studio te bang coming ala silano e aning aja awaba, I understand. So mulketa wala nyama lari ko mole ko nga okay because ya ante fanga la fakara studio. So multa studio lari foro dunta, you know. I can remember Larry was singing at the same time crying because because come niajibe so in a short period of time but come ku saya jamal la keta fatfarol ko na je, understand. Yeah, so Larry follow ya ta dundi kabri Larry ya ta dundi then atanga koroso ni la, understand, then kabri nga koroso la Rudy nata la vaso dundi then Rudy ba la vaso dundi kan ne fon koldo so to kote coming
like
modo fada just in that at that spot, you understand. Wole keta wole pass out, you know. Ga solule pass out o pass out ni molbo son record kan ne moto ya refana taki wallahi afata so ngare to dundi wol kono wanya because ngari member kabringa mba record kan ne den nga pandin ne tanga nga video ni na funo la nga ken na status so kabringa ken na status moyal comme reaction o la fon ko min sano wade because nga record lung no sudo wolunga la modu ya mix suba juno 5 o'clock nga sano release bo kabinga sano release before 10 somanda fon ndelo bokang studio sele somanda mbita kan nimol ka beng ibe sano play kan because sano nyin keta nyaamin ko min ngam to fuje mu yan ko min ma fa mol nyina te but coming ya ne comme it's good that coming all tool mention cool kono, I understand, because I got nele coming mol ki remember that. I understand. Yeah, I think Sauno Nying kata wala nyama, you know.
Like I'll tell you, Sauno Nying represent. You sang that song for people that you knew, but then the song, a normal person like me, when I listen to the song, it reminds me a lot, and it makes me reflect a lot on God again.
Yeah, definitely.
There is nothing in this world muyalon ko can last like.
Of course.
The andu mo Sauno ni niala mo rek akemale, you know.
Yeah.
Even nibe kuja wo kekang fang in that moment of time you are doing something.
It reminds you of that, you know.
It reminds you. That is the power of that song. Malam for understand. Yeah, that sound is big, man. It's really powerful.
Because abanyaming Sauno yung kono fang kairan del kami dol tadale del fana bitale andu walang cool tiande. Kunung kede tol tadi sama minala nobody knows so walang cool.
Mashallah. Musa, like you've been struggling on your career those days. Alayake struggle ta. For la force concert on Brikamato. Wakilo
EP.
EP.
Yeah, it was an EP.
Yeah,
EP long, you know.
Before the EP, let's discuss about your career. You were traveling going to Europe and coming back. That is UK and coming back. Moja maka fole ko come like Musa, ala to man funti back Gambian music industry lokono. Until mulbe industry yokono moli yelon ne back. People that knew about the industry moli yalonko they know good music. Then also you were doing great too because you love video nyinka fundile GRTS. You started growing views and stuff like that on your YouTube channel. But then you were not that much huge like that in the Gambia.
Yeah.
But you have opportunities to travel to UK, you come back to and fro. Why don't you stay in UK or you stay in Europe? The relationship you had with your sister is strong. Then you prefer coming back to Gambia to and fro?
Yeah, the reason why I love Coco, I have so many reasons, but one of the reasons is because yalang ni Gambia when ni tara state to do they forget about you. I can feel Gambia no tariada kanyina molal. Can feel and then come music I'm doing it for the Gambia, I'm doing it for my country, you understand? So I cannot just go there ngaranga CJ and then disadvantage do bi jela mi yalon comme ni state je gal e kala fle na yeje de nyemurum because ni sita nyokang mandingol fon ko nyari si yomu jidol ni sita nyokang ite value la comme ngi nyanda ke value nyam, you understand? So in order to keep that comme respect woni taraje comme yana comme malamba mba fenkela nyaade la but coming ndeya feel like comme wala betata yeta yenana you can feel bajala anytime ni taraje comme gal be e be mutala lo comme yanda ke mutala but ni be steering nyokan je fana I don't know come it doesn't feel right to me, you understand? Fans nyameng abetala because you are living with them and we see the narratives in different artists mu yalon ko e Gambia bulale itata CJ they end up losing their career. And on the other side a normal person like me or another person behind the scenes safonole Musa ala sister Sona she has it all in the music. Why is not Musa still working with Sona, about that time always can be over struggle come music kono jang. A normal person like me, what is the answer to that? Like you not being in Sona routine, I later talk on Yola, you working with her. I know anytime you go to Sona to work with her, it's not gonna be a problem. Or is it still not welcoming on your side? For what is the issue? No,
or you just wanna take your own part?
Yeah, issue TJ, to be honest, issue TJ because Sona has done a lot for me. You understand? Come, na but na dad la music kono come Sona I think na biggest achievement for come in my musical career. Well, I'm Sona in the future wala album kono yam. You understand?
Mina wotole but say right now what I'm asking is that
explain it because because Mojamal kan question is very good that you asked it because Mojamal kan nginka muna ita mantara Sona la ban muna ita mantara muna na Sona ni bukata nyola la tol na la fenkola Sona be nyame defana I want to be like that someday. I can feel it. So long come nilla fakka ko nyama fom fana sen na cool kan fonga fon sen na struggle kan fonga na momo ke jarjaro le so Sona ala jarjaro le ke coming far for the new state, you understand? So ndefana I think bo jarjaro le kono because nan ni tan na anytime ngata le understand yeah go ndala nying tuba brutal mo me is true Sona, you understand? Na first time na tele play, you understand? O fon comme data tele back personally data tele back but second one winning atela link ko but na te play comme dara ufanamu story for another day can feel but nan tamol mu is through her link, you understand? So wo ya bele ke man fi understand nga dam explain so comme nga fo nyambe rek defana ban nak cool la, you understand? Defana comme Sona be daming mfana la faka fudo do nga gena tambe you understand? So in order to do that fonse lo mfongo ngana cool kem fongo mfana ya katu kem fongo mfana jo komi ngam fongo futando dulato. You understand?
MashaAllah. Yeah. That answers it all. And even me personally, I was like the struggle that is behind Gambian music industry. Sometimes abuka jarala.
Yeah, I can definitely, to be honest, yeah.
understand.
But for now, I jibe come alaman fem for more, man, I understand. Yeah, come alaman saramolo coming, yeah, te be a rebe kela tentin, wala come abende kela tentin. So, mum, but lale fongola coming yane, I can do it. Mbakela no ni alonko naman kino alonko alala man kiti I understand about come fengo feng ala kiti tala daga ba happen no and then momo ibako ku ke kan you believe so the coming ko I'm going to make this work for myself I understand no coming ko with the help of people and all that but come même fon futandela no jele
Mashallah.
Understand yeah and
then sounds good good answer come like mole muru ila launching into the EP launching how did you felt on that day come yaje come brikama call gamenol nata ke you know, to come and answer to your call, you know, in a concert on you know, nice, in a band on you know, you perform good.
Yeah.
How was the feeling?
Feels good, you know. Yeah, it was overwhelming, you understand that because come near GB, I'm not surprised not coming more Yeah, I was not surprised about it because now I feel like coming I've worked for it, you understand. Yeah, because Niaji in 2006 Mombala cool for Kanabula Bill. I can feel it. So
2014 yeola.
Yeah. So come ngalo no coming abakela that. So I'm not surprised that but coming. It feels good. Yeah, ne kuke mole na I didn't coming go okay do come gas you know. That was it was nice and then and I feel so proud and then honored.
Yeah, mashallah. Like saying, I will not discuss with you without putting your father inside the discussion. Like Molia Funyame, in the beginning of the podcast, your father played a great role in your career. Munya Alonko, he's one of your number one. Number one fan.
Yeah, he's my biggest fan. Yeah, definitely.
He's the biggest fan.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Let's discuss your relationship with your father. Apart from music, let's discuss your relationship.
Comme na fe nu nyamere comme te mi ko niata bonne na kol kona mumba tula je fa ngole des yala I understand defo ngoni na dad niaje fa mo relationship over strong da mol over connected mi go le mol gena connect you understand because daddy atemira mi go kono even though come he was a promoter akajita player demanding do I understand so come ngamera ate mi go like nyam back wala
gina motivate
wala jitande kanda you understand so come nga fe nyami ka 3 years and that start kanda video le kanta cool so not come bini ajambe jang is because of my dad because na dad like motivate at dundi cool kono dal you understand so that guy at la baby
say modunga curious demanding you know sometimes in some homes local homes ikajele inila dad sometimes alkasonkale sometimes ayewali sometimes you think Musa ay buri ay le ba ay police
no ndela dad ne liba ndela dad niaje ya wuri tankan wala diamta is because music wala maybe nyanda kata dulalto
okay
man time wala I understand comme ndela dad naka dunyola mun wala timing problem yeah coming on time warning come one time or respect you understand you can feel it. So like what the malaka don't at the but apart from that that we are so cool yeah
because it seems like you alkamolo nyora le phone
come maybe come ginke ba ka nyamen tende o si fal start da kana bo
it fana majority nataka dunda
but ndela
that space thing
we talk about everything
mashallah
he's my friend as well
okay mashallah yeah awesome man dad abenyale be fayne na bi la bo bi tane wa man na juna de ama ta wo respect anya ndaka na koton jande
gay biyo ndele mi ra jangino gay ko bi da bulo bula in it
nice conversation man
thanks man
Musa saying music industry ni kono on the Gambian music industry ni be fan rate la saying thing because ngalo ite competition ko ida
no
ite be la fansun le not o saying thing ni be fan rate la industry ni kono ite fanje nyaade le because ngalo ne Brikama south side Gambia phone, ibe Gambia take and but it come.
Ngam fango je nyame.
Ike fanje nyaadi le because sometimes ikatara dogo kono le but for you can feel like cause hani saying you know manjang konka nyanta ka janne konka nyanta nyine tuta nyani what is
no ndekam fango je nyame ko ma manko ko min pour nga dula konka wala bente kala musifa doti ndengam fango je ko min te nyonti jang you understand yeah nyonti jang comme yeah cool be kala la ngana mol be betare la cool ko men te ma fontele mono wala molen no bonte kam fo wala comme nte nyonti jang dal you understand because ya jibe nte kam munke ibe Gambia be ya la le gam fille ita mo jela mum bak si fa kala gam fille so nga jela ko min nyonti jang dal
mashallah
man na cool mo be bala cool bonte kay nyonti jande ma be understand academic fille yeah because na cool Niajibe na cool gonna analyze ya Niajibe you know come from start kabring nung kana bula bila understand like come ndaka munke mo buka ke dal ma be understand kada explain yeah Niajibe yes boy I'm the first Gambian artist me and go perform on stage at the age of 5 you understand I play guitar I play djembe, I play keyboard, you understand?
Mashallah.
I know music. You can feel like I'm explaining. I'm not just an artist, I'm a musician, like a full musician. You can feel it. So, what's he Fabian?
No.
Huh? Very good. So,
now coming back to my question, it comes back to my this other statement. Is the Gambian music industry giving you your due? Itela nyanto industry nyenkono ite be fanjika kono
well
as a musician come ite be batam be kan industry ni and in doko kan industry ni do you see yourself giving that space whereby
it's coming gradually ndanga I understand I can feel it because na Gambia kay ndel be na Gambia be nyamin jankay amang coming talent wala ka mo samba you understand jangnin talent da malam boy comme tel betara dame anim sententen kam fo it's
quite different
yeah comme jam fata ñole kam feel so comme Gambia la fama bo ñama Gambia la bo ñama hani right now comme like comme Niajibe right now until na Gambia janka fo like comme mu yalan ko kamay achievement bal so jam yanko wo style de kam feel so hani style fon coming adunda ko le ko no mi yanko moy lolu ata damale ni ata damate ni ala damale so funo mo you understand
pour achieve
so you understand nga dam explain so comme nga feel like comme nta fala comme Gambian mon na judi na wala comme ketene bo comme ngano comme ko fengo fem bije fana mam realize time bina la mi yanko ba realize that so comme abi mu time multi I'm not going to blame anybody for coming maybe mantara takan wala coming ko okay mola cause wala coming fendo comme ngajele coming ko maybe fana doko nyin amam fuda ko ma yanda futala da so wala na still I'm just working
ite amela mun nyanta ka futandi je ite la nyanta ka futandi je fo promoter lombang fo mo lombang fo ala la nyanta ka futandi
ala ala lon ko di fengo fengan ala lo kam fille comme ndeke ban na part play kan you understand nda ban na part play kan so mun tuta kay nga betu ala bul wala beti
mashallah and the other question is that more likely ngejele the reason why I'm going to raise this question is that is because of the event organizers and the promoters that are behind the music industry and in mulke invite was sold the most of the time ndekata show la ndeka Musa Tari komale backstage Musa is that kind of humble guy dia woman sia sabo man sia come what that push and pull you are a cool guy mo be wolone but most of the times kabiri botana Europe ila ñi nang Europe Tony we are going to discuss about that ila UK Tony biri murutana denga soul nge tare soul mul beto kwishidi ndeke tare backstage la but I likely see you come perform how do you feel ni mole invite ye ke la flyer ye sambana ye paso joye la transportation no joye ni la timo anena koma fo so ye bang fam sol belone be botunga ye man na perform
yeah comme aka disappointment ol dal to be honest momo ko atata so dula la man perform no he was he feel good about it. Come Amari maybe come Amari he's just trying to make you comfortable, but come obviously get disappointed. Come like you feel disappointed. You understand? But for now, ante kajelo coming on come nga for nyamin dal nte manta mo blame la for anything. You understand? Because manekata sometimes mo ke invite le ata mo invite ate badula dolto ate la management team wala ko mala organizer le bije mulianko wala nyanda ka make so comme ite bo daming comme ye perform time wala comme you understand sometimes aka bondol artist fo bala le kam feel sometimes ya fo mo le comme ngana 12 mo le taji ay one ñol sifal wala ka happen so comme nga fa ñam te mo blame la bo comme sometimes bulu ka kele ku ko ngal ka kele no man comme nga fa ñame man da tara janka mo fenke aussi fal but comme aba kulline dal fe mo fem fana ko aba ke kan comme ndeka jele comme ko still comme doku do ni okay ni futata je ni futata backstage comme ita fam ka diam gal et tol mari la fon kala fi e perform dal you understand so abeba ñame comme sometimes Movial ka tama dumale understand Movial ka tama dumale no
no nde man la fi la yena jang come you just beat by the bush
no I'm not beaten by the bush
you know this thing is like me personally come even though you're not telling it to me but me I normally feel it because it this after it's not that I'm gonna fight you're right they nga feel like it this after every so mu yalon ko abejam gale invite je pour you perform for the fans because nga feel like ko wole be la promotion o gena stop kan right now because you are producing good songs you are producing good visuals you are spending a lot of money on your music you know you neglecting Europe you know you can Europe bulale na si Gambia you know to come and participate in the industry so aka difficult le you know solely ke you know yela paso jo etaraje you know, yes, still. This is why I want us to discuss it here. Is because of I want us to talk to them. We talk to the people, so that they can understand. That it's not that Musaka six work on a bukana. Taka Musa tere komale.
Yeah.
Musaka tere jele.
So jaman benda so jaman la demi.
Yeah, apro taka tere jele.
After bana I don't have that time. Kata lo mol kundam performing. You understand? It's not like I'm getting paid for
yela management team ko no yemo ni mu yalon ko wala be woronne
no wol be jele fang family tije be jele ba comme mum ko di comme guy wol kala job kala nim futata sudla bol katale musa na tele flash but comme cool ba nyame ñing comme nga fo nyame mo fi yalla ka tama duma ya understand e kam mo jela ila e ka jela ya moy ay la flash samba moy but they're going to be picking flashes comme iba munta pick la dal you understand comme ela famole perform wala ka perform you understand and then I don't have that time kataraje boy alim perform ndi wala nde hani ngaje na boy wala comme na management team ko no mo ba coming iba over manage ndi role pour nga perform I don't like it mbuka like fungeta manage ndi role pour nga perform because
amuka jare
aman jarala city boy yani ete yalla ne UK ndal nga dulal faram yalla ngo boy moy lolu coming wal ni audience wol boy comme they far from each other man I understand so comme amange coming ko mol malong already nta fala comme mo Gambia bere lombo coming ko like my stuffs are out there I understand comme so amo need pour katara struggle bala comme pour yen performing di aussi fal thing and comme ndefana comme kajele comme I've passed that level comme katara ni ma dinna no it's fine I'm not going to force anybody to put me on your platform or coming if you put me on your platform you have to respect me you understand because you're not giving me anything you coming mfanga like a struggle katela so we do it for this to support each other you understand so ninna da ke support then ete aje coming go maybe inte manjam soto wala fendolong I just leave you like that yela cool ke ngana cool ke fonde
mashallah yeah senatale and mol mol be mol lamoy kan I think that has to stop you know ayanda ka stop le no musa mustalti you know Real star Martino. Anyanta ka stop le boy. Nana backstage boy. No, anyanta ka stop le boy. Anyanta ka cast like
stop.
Yeah, inshallah. Abe stop la le no. Yeah, most more level up sign. More ajele like ila UK, being tata UK. You know, come on, ngosi lo mo
lazy. Lazy. Ade mi la favorite track go dira.
Yo sauro ni video janda ka fundi le yalo
video binala you know.
Ita UK lazy was all over pim param you know.
Yeah.
Sauro ni over moli over likely.
Definitely.
You know, sauro ni you know anata nya de mali adoku.
Lazy ade be nyaming. Comme ade nata nyaming lazy nata nyaming comme insa for TikTok lati na comme sano nying kata lazy ti because nyaji be sano nying ndaka folo nung sano nying ba tatu las balajiki come feel because nyaji be balajiki you understand so manung studio kono ba record kan ba sound wota nga koro fi ndama record ma finyo musafili mo finyo you understand so mbije would laugh then ndata life on TikTok because what I was very consistent on TikTok. I understand. Completely. So, mbije ngombar ngata live, you know. So ntara live. Mbije sound when you play can do so. By then I was putting lyrics there. I understand. So mbafa can guy like okay, you know what? Let's make this song together. I understand. What do you think I should put here and all that? And I was just making on live. You understand? So before. Whether Ansumana, my cousin Ansumana, shout out to you, I understand. Ateleka lazy play korato, you understand. Okay. Then no lazy. Come nunto pabi on legala, I understand. What I'm in jolly pabi, I understand. Because more from along what lazy means. I understand. So bijere kilim barra from coming go. I made a lazy for Nakala Jiva. Yeah, I understand. So ngamira trako nyingani cool benya. What okono Ansumana for TikTok during the vid lazy back. I understand. Okay. Because I remember Malta Big C GB Manchester. Shout out to my brother Big C. I understand. Definitely he's been very supportive and he's my guy. You know, he's my brother. You can feel it. Yeah. So I tell him invite Manchester. So Kabri Malta Manchester. BJ Ansumana Tara live. On TikTok, you understand. So about life le BJ nim Big C. So we were singing. So I will lazy play gang, you know. Yeah, nambe na link up la afanala basu no nyinga play no can play. Yeah, so I call keta won nyam ba lazy play woto BJ and so multi start lazy. So for TikTok je fon start ka fa lazy ka fo mo understand. So mbolo kono sort ka binde ba sound record correct. Mo kili ya suggest comme pour nga lazy kiji
ha
so ngo okay so mba live le mba record kan so na nga kiji kabri nga kiji rek ya ne it sounded nice you understand so comme ya ne start the lazy so ngo gayle would laugh on you know what mbenyim part tala nga bondi then I'm going to put it here on TikTok then we can start the challenge so challenge you start wala nyama you know it was not something serious ya ne bijere nga kende katara jere nka boy ninka skuru nka je molka yeah ne molka you know molka challenge you know
yeah mashallah so sound is gonna be on your album or
lazy
it's just a single or it's gonna be
well lazy come plano mundi wala nka kanu album ko no you know because yeah ne kum yeah ne plano munu wolti to be honest but saying kay mbadi la mola as bonus because songol si abata you know so blanga mol so la rek ya ni la ko la yeah because sound will be je siara la you know and then album of fanaka
ba musa ko kilin yan jahala kabele beno UK ya ila marketing strategy be mun nanu nje over powerful tale ko ni be outside le ka gëna mama ka gëna Gambia seg dan ni be Gambia jang
ndaham je I have all the time you understand coming dogu olong ani relax so no relax wato me ko non ka be ke ane comme after kide fanaka course le malam fe understand because ni be livery fo ngay dem ma understand comme you have no option to nyinka face dunka fenke na mu yadina any mol batar vibe kan ya
ko kili yen jahali law marketing strategy mu del sita la jang mole musa lan talol je mari karab kan talol ka dung musa internet o be dung ñoko no musa call musa ma pick na voice ni nga dat call
because wado kono ni nga pick rek ma call ti ñaala it was a prank you know prank along you know because na cousin do long wala futu you understand so ate be Gambia janne then ala muso ay mum futu ba UK so bay den defana ba UK so en call pour nga represent you understand so kabring jele nga plan comme batu bi bari ndelgata fengol like comme ndelgata maño ke yala so it's better comme mata nga feng track ake so mbije kabrin tare sindi la rongo tema so I was the acting husband you understand so the role that after mola dengol it was kind of match outfit you understand so nko nyimbatu mbije nabo ngola follow call ngay ko boy ngana ralo sena you understand ngay ko kana mol prank le mala nyaadi la nak tap ko nada abi afele sidin jam fa understand ako nyako ye kay ba ma def lolu no boy ma tasaru fini tap yan ako nya mu ñu cool so tap nga sa fe 9 status alhamdulillah e gam fi yalla wo kay mol be fengal la so mbije ko mbar nga ki jere alhamdulillah so kabra nga ki alhamdulillah na boy do fa mbije harmonie ade fana ate fa ngala rale ade mbije la kay ren ko mi boy ite amara ngi nat nek fa ko ndeba futu la june la wasi because mo be amara ko min to nyala but ko min few people and nga sen na bomu ye atala long anin samiti understand samiti fana nga itandala nyaadi la ko nyugo aba kulle let's just do it tap nga dundi wala nyama ba call sol over nata la na call momo la call na ran kanya kasi because man la fika fembe en kolle yeah so comme anara lo nyami it's because yana ne na ko dinate kondom sekaldi you understand so sando je yana ne Mrs. Seka biji you understand so ramo la modol nata ka understand coming yeah musa kondom jobaatelti it was supposed to be jobat you understand so another long to then for my voice okay je coming it was a prank but still now mulma lan ko mu yalan ko non number table because mo jamal ya screenshot they were reposting it mu yalan ko non number table they still thought that I'm married because it will maje coming ko mo be maki je coming ko it was a prank so still mo jamal camera fum futu mam futu
why la girlfriend awa Gambia
awa
ila girlfriend no ngari no
awa mun na reality awa mun na reality awa is don't feel
Asal gabe se la wala ko awa mu ila sunku dol albe secret love la
yo wala fa no awa mun na reality
ila wala
awa is it's my G
alman fen cook follow
ni awa nga sano done le sano done le it's soon gonna be out comme ça intending comme collabo dental bi jele mba debate kan yana because ninjere fana sano kele understand so mba debate kan for ninjere tambolo follow drop la for mani awtala follow drop la understand because woli pa songol sia batala what I mean so and fon fidita songol bulla I just want to give it to them and fongol fia
yeah Musa ikajele comme artist gradually music ko na ka grow le mentally spiritually like I can for nyameng because the confidence that is in you I tandele ko comme it musically it late fan na le ba pare I mantra wo hasi to that rat race that kind of rat race comme artist ki kanyo sabanya
manjara
ten ni mol ko Musa what is on the biggest pipeline what is mune bela pipeline ko no yalon ko mo nyanta ka expect le mo ya jele comme the EP was lit yeah from proof with the live band too exclusive he did one of the best performance in Brikama Box Bar ever in Benjamin I think ST kamon kije but yours and Benjamin your shows are different
definitely
malum fu mol be attest la wala bam but mol multate la show to tata any other show on Brikama Box Bar when it comes to Gambian music I'll tell la category to the youths your show and Benjamin show was one of the best shows ever did in Brikama Box Bar man for nata many times to Allah set up on you man for and which is very important on one's career as a musician sure performing giving live performance to audience is not that much easy abuka cheap because it counts a lot it encounters a lot ila bano let's discuss about the band that maturity wo bano ni na combination oni because nin that fang kabe after launching ni nga that call le ngani ni nga ko nyako Musa le nyil be lijante de ni wol lijante ni ade le
ala no comme if you're a good musician, you know good musicians as well. So nga selection rek mi yalan ko mi fangalan ko mi okay. If I bring these guys together, we're gonna be able to give the audience what they need, what they deserve to hear. Man, if you understand. So cool kita wala nyama comme nga selection rek yana comme nga jibelo comme okay kari ate over cool ta indla kari fana ate over cool ta la patale then bring them together,
To all the audience that are watching the show right now, if you haven't watched Musa Phillips concert, that is the EP launching, the Wakilo, try and go on YouTube and watch it.
Yeah, it's on your platform.
Yeah, it's there. I covered it.
Yeah.
Try and go and watch that, that show. You're gonna see marvelous performance from Musa and the whole team there. Like you're gonna see clean music. Clean. Yeah. No, I feel. I understand. Album. I wish come what performance was set up on come Molia sort of question come like the audience everything Gambiano lena yele balon na Jamalo Musa.
Yeah, definitely.
Man, I understand. Yeah, people are sleeping off your career, man.
I'm cool. Time all a bit like
boy, how cool na
time lang a bit. Wakilo lang a bit, still wakil ka na and then you keep on.
Most
so come appreciate thanks come ngala question on kajabe diare ngala question on ñu nga fa ngay def but the biggest on the pipeline right now walang album right now we in the album mood album sententing mbole job kay kam file manda date reveal la follow I understand about come about happen this year and end of this year you'll see file I understand in November you'll see file come feel date be findela na katemela atemela back from date be findela
no problem
and so, then collabo sikringo lebije and boy sound lebije mu yanko muy lolu
you were talking about your combination with Sona. Ate so dayla album for Italy so dayla album
no atelen so tan ala album ko no
which album was that?
Ala Duno album, ala last album, ala
okay.
Yeah, ne ni mira yusun tournal ba project ko mun kono. Ndefana bo kono ala
it's big.
Ne so wala nanka I see it as my biggest achievement. Because Niaji Sona it's well known worldwide. I understand. Sona.
Okay, vibe.
Kona sound authentic. Yeah, Sona kana sound.
Ila sound my favorite.
Na sound do la mom fin di follow nak sound ñu mom fin di follow but comme ay sound over like la batara album ko no lay que sound ñu ka perform la in UK you understand to abol fon ya over like lay sound ñu to is manam fa mbatu la wala ko ma taydul follow fon I understand but nimbi je nga fa comme foy ma je you understand so sound over the other I sound over like
mashallah thank you so much for coming, Mos.
It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure to be here. Definitely.
I think today.
Come from ni watu mansia we can feel so.
Like as you are watching right now, we've cancelled this podcast for like 3 times. Another jam be na computer mang song. Computer ni ngama mele for Malta. So we using the recorder. The Zoom recorder to do this podcast. Like is a great one,
It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure to be
this
here.
This one is for the books, man.
Yeah, definitely.
Mol ka fole buka diam boy bi nga mera ngi diam undila de. Ha boy.
No ko mol ya mera buka diam.
Nga diam undila de.
No coming yalla mo cool di ko mol ya mera fam buka diam. Mo diam bali mon soto. But coming ya na coming yalla diam baba fa na mbetia. Ya mol ka fole coming ni diam ta bag sometimes is a ulia fa no because ni diam the bag sometimes kumul ka bande so ning kumul banda do ite ba tere kan ka gena diam obviously you're gonna lie you can feel so wala na come nga make sure rek nga tara cool nga come feel and then ni diam to sometimes e ka dum modo la ko mo kon mi an koy mena ka dunga ko na understand so it's good to fenga limit so that come feel ba nga diam le
mo le ko mo le text akon nyako ngi ni nga wondo kele mo ngi dana nga airport do o dindi mañi o ko man
dinin koy jamal la gandan na airport jamal la gandan na airport no
o koy mandi woni ni mun kana lolta
mbari ni wala ngodi mbari ni Mbari Ningolo, you know. Mbari Ningolo, she's my niece. You know,
Really?
one of my favorite niece, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Ite, you
Mbari
Thank you.
Ningolo,
Nice having you,
Thank
bro.
you so much, man.
Yeah.
It's a pleasure to
You're
be
welcome.
here. And I want to give a shout out to my team, you know. I understand my management team, and a shout out to my father, you know. Nateke, he's been there, you know. And I want to thank him for his motivation and encouragement towards my career. And, you know, shout out to all the people that have been there, you know what I mean? Shout out to ST, the Gambian Dream, you understand? And shout out to the Invisible Movement, you understand? And then Buffalo Mobe come here, but album canale. And then abagala album wal dim yalan ko comme afana abagala kudol yalla nga wakilo fele comme fele bo comme ñin don kay si kaw si kanam rek fema fe mbaka la gëna double up, you understand? Yeah.
Inshallah.
Yeah, thank you so much.